In the world of aviation, few designs have captured the imagination quite like the Ekranoplan, a hybrid of plane and ship, a marvel of Cold War engineering, and a symbol of boundless ambition. It skimmed the surface of water like a ghost, defying conventions and leaving waves of mystery in its wake. But what is the story of this enigmatic craft, and what lessons does it hold for the future of innovation? Today, we unravel the tale of the Ekranoplan, also known as the Caspian Sea Monster. To understand the Ekranoplan, we must first understand its principle of operation, the ground effect. The ground effect is a phenomenon where an aircraft flying close to a surface, be it land or water, experiences increased lift and reduced drag. This allows it to travel efficiently at high speeds while remaining just above the surface. An Ekranoplan is neither fully an airplane nor a ship. It is a ground effect vehicle designed to glide over water, exploiting this unique aerodynamic principle. The concept of ground effect vehicles can be traced back to the early 20th century, but it was the Cold War that turned this idea into reality. In the 1960s, the Soviet Union, under the leadership of Nikita Khrushchev, sought innovative ways to strengthen its military. Enter Rostislav Alexeyev, a brilliant engineer whose vision gave birth to the Ekranoplan. Alexeyev's genius lay in merging the speed of an aircraft with the payload capacity of a ship. In 1966, the Soviet military was testing the first full-scale Ekranoplan on the Caspian Sea, a massive craft so secretive it was nicknamed the Caspian Sea Monster by Western intelligence. The KM, short for Korabl Maquette, literally ship prototype, was a behemoth, measuring 92 meters long. It could reach speeds of 500 kilometers per hour, while carrying 550 tons of cargo, a feat unmatched by traditional aircraft or ships. The KM was designed to operate just above the water, making it nearly invisible to radar. This made it a strategic asset for transporting troops or launching surprise attacks. Despite its groundbreaking capabilities, the KM faced challenges. Its immense size and low altitude made it difficult to maneuver in rough seas or unexpected obstacles. In 1980, the KM tragically sank during a test mission. However, the KM was just the beginning. The Soviets developed several other models, each with unique capabilities. The A-90 Orleanic was a military transport designed to carry troops and vehicles at speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour. It was smaller and more versatile than the KM, making it operationally viable. The Ulm-class Ekranoplan was a weaponized variant, armed with 6 musket cruise missiles. It represented the height of Ekranoplan development, combining speed, stealth, and firepower. With the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991, the Ulm class marked the end of the Ekranoplan era. For all its innovation, the Ekranoplan was ultimately a victim of its own ambition and external circumstances. Its reliance on calm waters limited its operational scope, while advancements in aircraft and submarine technology rendered its strategic advantages less relevant. Additionally, the high cost of development and maintenance was unsustainable, especially during the economic turmoil of the post-Soviet era. The Ekranoplan is a cautionary tale of innovation, one that reminds us of the delicate balance between vision and practicality. The Ekranoplan's rigid dependence on specific conditions highlights the importance of versatility in design. Ambitious projects must account for long-term costs and viability. And of course, the secrecy surrounding the Ekranoplan hindered its development and integration into broader military strategies. While the Ekranoplan never achieved widespread use, its legacy endures. Engineers and innovators continue to draw inspiration from its design. Today, ground effect vehicles are being revisited for civilian and commercial purposes, from fast maritime transport to eco-friendly shipping. The dream of skimming the surface, blending speed and efficiency, is far from dead. The Ekranoplan may have been ahead of its time, but its spirit lives on. The Ekranoplan was more than a machine. It was a vision of what humanity could achieve when we dared to challenge the skies and seas. Its story is a reminder that even in failure, there is progress. The Caspian Sea Monster may have sunk, but it continues to inspire generations of dreamers and engineers to reach beyond the horizon. What do you see when you look at the Ekranoplan? A relic of the past, or a blueprint for the future?